Let's talk about adding a DSLR camera to your microscope. We get the call every day from customers wanting to do it. They say because it has higher megapixels than any microscope camera they can find, and there's a reason for that. The ideal range for a microscope camera is 3 to 5 megapixels. More importantly is the pixel size of your camera. You want a camera with large pixel size. That means it has more light gathering capability, better resolution, better frame rate, and is an overall better camera when it comes to microscopy. There are also some disadvantages of using your camera when it comes to controlling it. If you capture your image by touching the capture button, you're going to vibrate the camera, which can result in a blurry image or removing your sample. Second is adjusting your camera settings. It's not very easy to adjust your camera settings to white balance or adjust the exposure prior to taking your image. Lastly is viewing the final result. You typically cannot easily access your images until you take the SD card out of your camera and move it to your computer. You may not be happy with your images after you see them. With a dedicated microscope camera, you could adjust your camera settings before you capture your image and see them. You will have an immediate result of your captured image on your PC, and you can make sure you're happy with the result. Furthermore is the software features. Most cameras will come with free software that allows you to do annotations, measurements, and more. This is why we always suggest adding a dedicated microscope camera to your microscope.